$1.6 million has been allocated to build a new health center in Brownstown, St. Anne. The health center is expected to be closed early next year to facilitate construction work.
The Brownstown Health Center serves residents from several communities including Standfast, Orange Hill and Philadelphia in St. Anne. But with population growth over the years, there has been increased demands on the Type 3 facility, which has led to overcrowding and long waiting times.
My time when you come here, you not even have any seat for out here full. Very full, you have to stand up.
And me ever they say this place I want a bigger place. Because with the migration of people from off the mountains where Kaiser move, where backside move, come down to Brownstown, the population get 3 times the amount. So you see, you want a clinic 3 times the size of this.
But Regional Director for the Northeast Regional Health Authority, NERA, Fabia Lam, says this problem will soon be a thing of the past.
Okay, so the Brownstown Health Center is one of the 10 health centers selected by the Ministry of Health and Wellness to benefit from a loan agreement with the government of Jamaica and the Inter-American Development Bank that will see infrastructure and equipment improvements to our health infrastructure in Jamaica.
Ms. Lam says the construction of the new building will take 3 to 5 years. While that's ongoing, persons will be relocated to other facilities, including the Orange Hill and Alexandra Community Hospital.
What is peculiar to Alexandra Community Hospital is that there's a 24-hour maternity service at that facility. So mothers can go and have their babies at that facility, and there is child health care as well and adolescent health care. What NERA is looking at is based on the distance between Alexandra and our closest hospital with this, which is St. Anne's Bay Hospital. We are now looking to expand the services at that facility.
She says when the new building is completed, additional services will be offered.
Of Brownstown, including staff and the clients, will have a health center that offers specialist clinics. So if you're diabetic clinic, your hypertensive clinic, your high blood pressure, you will have space to carry out education on nutrition. There will be education sessions on lifestyle changes so that we understand how to make lifestyle changes in keeping with our health dynamics.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.